Hello again, this is Jim Brundage, Product Manager for 505 PLC Monitor. In this session we're going to talk about detecting diagnostics. If you recall, we set up our demo controller earlier and we gave it a controller name and an IP address. We also had an option to pick which areas of the PLC you want the program to monitor. We've pretty much selected all of these by default. So we'll begin looking at something simple like a diagnostic cell. How can we create a diagnostic cell? If we go out and update this controller, you'll see that we have the CPU is in run mode. We have an RL checksum value. The Profibus is stopped. Profibus DP is not configured, and IO base 0 is online. And we also have an entry saying here that a manual update cycle was completed. I'm going to simply pull the battery out of this controller to create a condition where the PLC believes that the battery is low. In this case it is because it's missing. So I'm going to go out here and say I'm going to do an update all controllers with the email notification. It'll go out and read that controller, and sure enough it detects that in our demo controller the CPU battery is low. At the same time, since I selected this up here saying I want to update all with the email notification, if I go check my email box again, I should have an email from, again we put in notification at plcmonitor.com is where it's from. It's been sent to this address, and it's telling me I have new PLC events. And I'll click on this attached CSV file. And sure enough, it's telling me the demo controller, the CPU battery is low. Okay, likewise, if I go put that battery back into that controller, I once again will do an update all with email notification. And sure enough, the program has detected that the battery is normal and manual update cycle has been completed. Again, checking our inbox. And sure enough, we have notifications from PLC Monitor. We have new events. And we go check for an update cycle. And sure enough, it's telling us the CPU battery now is normal. So that's a simple demonstration of how diagnostics work. Within diagnostics, there's many areas included within diagnostics itself. If I open up controller settings, I'll go to diagnostic cell, and these are the various areas within the help file that it's identified that the program will monitor within each PLC. You'll see we looked here, we just tested the battery status low or normal, but all these other items are included when you check that box. It'll scan for all these different error codes, error flags, and conditions, and notify you if any of these were to change on the PLC on your plant floor. That pretty much completes this section. Thank you.